My name's PJ.
And you're gonna make some espresso?
Yeah, I'm gonna make some espresso.
Who are you gonna make the espresso with?
I'm PJ, and I'm gonna make espresso with Mommy.
What is this that you're doing? What are we making today?
Coffee.
What kind of coffee are we making?
Espresso.
Espresso. And what machine are we using?
Espresso machine.
That's right, yes, it is. Okay, but the very first thing that we have to do before we do anything is what? Yeah?
Water.
Water. That's right. I'll help with this. What kind of water do we need?
Filtered water.
It seems that all the videos we've been watching, learning how to use this machine, we need filtered water so that it tastes the best. Do you want to help me pour?
Yeah.
Okay. It's very heavy. Tell me when you want me to stop.
Stop.
Okay. Very good. Now, I'll put it back.
I want no steps to go.
Really?
There.
Okay. Okay.
No steps to go.
Okay. Do we have enough beans?
No.
Well, what is that called?
This is gonna happen.
A hopper.
Is it gonna fail?
Okay.
But this,
Fill it up and see how happy you are. Take that off.
I'm gonna do a couple scoops.
Okay.
One scoop.
Okay.
Put it out.
Dump it out.
That's enough beans.
Okay. Do you know what machine we're using today, PJ?
Espresso.
What's the brand, do you know?
Espresso.
Right, but what kind of, what's the name of the company that makes our espresso machine? What happens next? What are we doing?
I'm gonna flip this.
You're gonna flip what? Oh, you're gonna just check out the grinds? What number do we want it on? It recommends 5. So this is the grind size here. And what do we know about the grind size for espresso? Is it really, really coarse or should it be really, really fine?
It should be very, very fine.
That's right. So we have maybe one more to go. There we go. There we go. Okay. What's next? What is that?
I poured it out first.
What do we use that for?
Making coffee.
Okay, so how about, what are you going to do now?
It's automatic. Done.
Done. Now what? You're doing the shake it off thing so it doesn't get all messy. Smart boy. Now what? You got all this right? Good.
Now,
Wait a minute. You're skipping something.
tapping.
Yeah.
Then we're gonna tap it.
You can tamp it. So I'll hold it. Good. Beautiful. Now what?
Put this under.
You wanna help?
Yeah, we'll do it.
Okay. Okay. Double?
Is this double?
Yes. That lined up.
This is plenty for today.
Hey PJ, I noticed that you're using your left hand mostly,
Okay.
and your right hand isn't doing a whole lot. Is there a reason for that?
And then I have cerebral palsy. Just coffee into here.
turn it on the steam part, and then I'll do the actual steaming.
This part, it's hard.
I guess I usually do that part, don't I? Because the steaming of the milk is very dangerous. Okay, back up. Back up. All right, now.
Cut. I need a feet.
Wow. Can I try it?
Let's do more frothy. What
What do you think? Does that look pretty good? Do you ever drink it?
No. It's coffee.
Who drinks it? It's coffee, so that's why you don't drink it? You just like making it? The foam's pretty good, huh? Let me take, can I try it?
And I'm gonna have the foam for myself.
Okay. That looks pretty good. The finger looking good.
We got foam and coffee.
Do you like the mustache? It's pretty good. Kind of like a cappuccino.
Cappuccino, cappuccino.
And what is so important after we use the frother? What do we have to do?
Wipe it down.
Yeah. Because it gets pretty gross if you don't wipe it down.
Is it pretty gross right now?
I think it's pretty gross right now.